So now we're organizing them. So we got the waters are gonna be laid down like this. It's kind of heavy. So we're gonna lay them down like this, and I'll be back with you in a 3, a 2, and a. And now I got some Go-Grit, and I'm gonna put it in with the drinks. And I put some of these down next to the drinks so they can go with the Go-Grit. Don't worry, I'll pick them up.